Today, I guess we're going to do the brakes on a Nissan Versa Note, 2014 Nissan Versa Note. And yeah, it looks something like that. First thing you're going to want to do is get the wheel off, and it's going to look something like this. You're going to probably need the lug wrench to get that off. Then you're going to take a 9/16 or 14 millimeter wrench and release these back bolts like that. And you're going to need to compress this caliper down a little bit. Good luck with that. Oh, when you squeeze that out, you got to watch your master cylinder up here, your reservoir. Make sure that doesn't overflow too much. All right, there's that pesky piston I was telling you about. You're going to have to smush that in there somehow. And then I guess these clips and pads come off of here. Right there, right there. We're going to get those off next here. Oh, there's a couple little spring doodads in there. I guess those hold that in. And we got new ones of those. So remember how those go. They go in there like that. V. Whatever, we'll figure it out. Now, we got to get... They should just slide out of there, I reckon. I don't know, those had a little bit left on there. That's the brake side there. Whoa, yeah, very little bit left. You can see the indicator. There's the scratching, screeching noise right there. Yeah, those are, yeah. Well, see, that might be your problem right there. That rotor, or that, caliper might have been hanging up, because this one's completely wore out and that one's got a mile left on it. So yeah, we got some lube for it this time. I think that thing was hanging up a little. Then they got this little scrapey thing that goes down in there in the front and the top, or the top and the bottom. So you're going to want to pull those out, because they give you nice new shiny ones, so you might as well plunk those in there. So that'll go in where the other one came out, kind of like that. Same thing on the top. All right, the thing that holds these little son of a guns in there is these little clips on the inside, that little nub right there, and on the inside right there. You see that little thing right there? So you got to push that down in, or in this case, up in. You want to kind of push on that center, right, like, get that in the groove there, and then shove that up in there. There, that was pretty good. There, good enough. There's. Tap that in there a little bit. Same thing on the bottom. Get that bedded down in there. And then your new pad should slip in there kind of like that. And then same thing on the other side. Kind of stick it in the little clip thing down there. And oh, I didn't quite get it in far enough. Now, there you go. And then you squeeze them together. Now, if you're lucky, you got your piston in there far enough. I don't think I did, so I'm going to have to squeeze that in there some more. Get a block of wood. A little piece of 2x4 in there, and then wedge that over a little bit more, and then when I can, because I'm pretty sure that's not gonna go on there yet. It looks like it's sticking out, so yeah, it's got to go another. I don't know if I can do it by hand or not. Maybe. Oh, come on, baby, go. Oh. No, that ain't gonna work. I'm gonna get a block of wood, space that. All right, now the other thing you want to do is. I said this was hanging up, but if you pull these pins out, this little seal pops on here. Up on the top there, it'll pop off. Now, they got lube in there, but you kind of want to clean that off and put some fresh silicone stuff in there. This brake lube. And that'll keep those moving good, hopefully. I don't know why that was hanging up like it was. Well, just nature of the beast. Oh, and don't forget to put these little doohickeys in there before you slap the caliper back on. And if you're lucky, like I am, your piston will be pushed in there far enough so you can actually get the caliper back on and push those in there, and then get this back on like it should be, not like it is now. So then once you get everything lined up and back on there, you put your bolts back in and tighten it up. I personally try not using the brakes, but lather, rinse, repeat on the other side. Cut.